Well, from the Duplicate Bridge Club today, we have Greta and Margaret, and they love coming on here and just telling us all about the different events and classes and all the stuff going on in the Bridge Club. And there is a lot. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, yeah.
Yeah, there really is a lot. It's hard to keep up with.
Well, yes, it is, but we're going to be here every month to make sure that you do, Ken.
All right. One of the things you wanted to talk about, and this is coming up very soon, August 24th and 25th.
This weekend.
Yeah, and this is now I'm reading how you wrote it here, non-life master sectional.
Correct, yes.
Okay.
Because in bridge, you're either a master or a non-life master. And the newer players tend to be non-life masters, obviously.
Okay.
But this event is created especially for them. And they have between 0 and 750 master points. And it's a wonderful opportunity to earn silver points, which is very important in the whole structure of becoming a life master. And there's several opportunities to play. On Saturday, you can play in the 10 o'clock and the 2:30 game, and then we'll have a lunch in between.
Okay.
And on Sunday, it's team games, which means all day. You know, you start at 10, you have a box lunch break, and then, you know, you finish about 5:30. So it's two events, but when you sign up for it, you really need to play in both of them. But we're also, because we have so many new players, because we've been offering so many classes, we have the 0 to 99er group, and we're going to let them play in a pair game on Sunday if they would like.
Okay, so Greta, how do people get points? Does that mean you have to be in recognized tournaments?
You can get points at the Bridge Club. You can get points going to a sectional or a regional or a national. They all offer master points, and those are tabulated through the American Bridge Contract League.
Okay.
So that's a national organization, but right away you find out usually at the club you're earning only black points, but we occasionally have stack games where you can earn silver as well. In order to get the red points, you need to go to a regional to get and gold points, and the national course is red and gold. So
what's the significance of the different colors of the points? They're worth more? Or?
To become a life master, you have to have 50 gold points, 75 silver, 75 red, and then the rest can be any combination up to 500.
Okay.
So in a typical game at a club, you're only really getting 1 or 2 points.
Okay.
Or part of a point.
Or part of a point, yeah,
Right.
yeah. It depends on how large the game is.
Okay.
And so it really takes effort, it takes coordination, it takes planning if you want to become a life master. And I'll use myself as an example. I'm kind of on the verge. I have all my silver, I have all my red, I need 7.78 gold, and then overall I still need another 50 points. You know, they can be any color though.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm on the verge, and I'm really pushing forward and attending as many regional conferences tournaments as I can.
Now, Greta, when you're in these tournaments, do you get points just by finishing the tournament, or do you have to get points by your rank?
You have to get points by qualifying.
Okay.
According to the score you have. And I can remember I got my Life Master back in '97, but we went to every tournament we could to get those gold, and we finally got the gold that we needed and attained the Life Master, and it's quite an achievement.
All right, so that's going to be happening August 24th and 25th. But all along, though, you have all these classes coming up as well. And coming up in September, you have evening classes on Mondays, and then you have morning classes on Fridays, and these run from September into October.
Right. This is the continuation. We offer a beginning series. It's really 3 different opportunities for the courses. And in the one coming up in September, we're going to be discussing scoring, vulnerability, preempting at the 3 level, the week 2 bids, overcalls, advances, and negative doubles. So there's a lot of content that I'm going to be kind of squeezing into 6 weeks. But
That's a lot.
Yeah, that is a
That's
lot.
awful.
But the folks that I'm working with have already been through 2 sessions, so this is really their 3rd session. And each session builds on the other one.
Oh.
So they're ready.
And should they to sign up for these, by the way, it's $45 for all 6 classes, or $8 for a single session, plus $13 for a textbook. If you go for the all 6, it includes the book.
If you sign up for the series, the book is included.
Okay.
If you just want to come for certain sessions, and some people do because we let them know every week what
Right.
topic, it's $8 a session, but then they would have to buy the textbook separately.
Okay, so it's really much better to sign up for the 6
Yes,
classes.
right.
Even if you missed one, you get the textbook.
Well, if you're in the Monday night class, I do the same class on Friday morning.
Yeah.
So if you're going to miss one or the other, maybe you can work it out to attend
That's
the
good.
opposite.
Yeah.
And then I have some students that come to the Monday night, and they also come to the Friday morning because they want reinforcement on the lesson.
Now, beyond that, you have other things. You have a Pro-Am game coming up on the 25th of October, and Brush Up on Basics with Greta on September 11th. And, I mean, you just got all kinds of things.
Oh, well, I'm chairman of the education committee, so I'm just pushing for all these things to happen. And this Pro-Am game especially will be wonderful for newer players to play with an experienced player.
Yeah.
We consider that the pro is someone who has over 500 master points, the other people under, and we will be randomly matching them, and they will play together. And it's just to let them know that, you know, you can play with a more experienced player and you don't have to play in an open game. And we think it's going to be a great experience for them.
It's great that over there, especially this year, there are far more opportunities for people to learn, because there was a time when there's maybe a couple times a year.
We
you
had
could
a
bring
drought
your-
on
yeah.
training new people. We did, yes, bringing new people into the fold. And when Greta became the chair of the education committee, that all changed.
Yeah, so
Drastically.
that's really good.
Yes.
LagunaBridge.com, right?
Yes.
It's the
Yeah.
website, so people can get information there about all these different events, whether you've never played before or you're somebody who has lots and lots of points. You'll find something for you, and just fun
Yes,
above anything
absolutely.
else.
Right, it's just a fun place. We hope it's a fun place to be in. People come in, and it's a social event
Yeah.
for a lot of them. It's, yes, this is our day to play, and we really enjoy it. And each new twosome that comes to your table, you make them feel welcome, and you have a good time.
Yeah,
And you
it's,
might
it's
earn
great
something.
how you've both built this up quite a bit, and
Thank
all
you,
the
yeah.
folks. Yeah, very good.
Okay,
thanks
thank you,
for
Ken.
seeing you, ladies, again. And again, LagunaBridge.com. That's the website. You can find out more information there. And the 24th and 25th, that is the tournament, or the summer non-Life Master sectional, and those are for people who've been playing for a while. Somewhat, right?
Yes.
Not beginners.
Yeah.
that's
Well,
what
we
I'm
hope
saying.
the beginners come too. We have
Okay.
made a special outreach to our
Oh, you have?
brand new players. Oh, yes.
Good.
This is a great opportunity for them to experience tournament play.
Very good.
You've got to get it under your belt one way
Yeah.
or the other.
Yeah.
So
Right.
that's this weekend, and it's going to be a lot of fun. If you've never done it before, you want to learn, you're at the perfect place to do so. Very good. Good to see you both. Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Okay.
Thank you,
And we'll
Ken.
be right back.